data are often considered too cumbersome for the audience. There may be some truth to that. Our education system really should improve critical thinking skills of Americans. I'm sorry, Ariana, I don't think they help. I think they hinder, to be honest. But another hard truth is that it is the job of journalists to teach and inform, which means they might need to figure out a better way to do that. They could contemplate more creative methods for captivating an audience. Just about anything would improve the current process, which can be pretty rudimentary. Think basing today's content on whatever rated well yesterday, or look to see what's trending online today.
Well, she did make a good point, though, about that education. She said it really should improve. Not that it doesn't. That's what she's saying. It should. The schooling. So, you just said you don't agree with her, but she's literally saying that schools should improve critical thinking skills. That's what we need. We need more people using critical thinking to handle things.
I guess I should say, to clarify, I don't think schools will work. I'm not convinced that without some kind of radical, absolute deconstruction of the entire system and reforming in a totally radical and different way, I am 100% opposed to institutionalized learning facilities, which separate kids from their parents so they don't learn from their parents, puts them under the care of people who typically don't care about them, and then sends them off to colleges where you got a bunch of radical lunatics who don't actually work in their field.
I agree. The system is messed up. The school system needs, it goes back to unions, really. The teachers' unions are protecting bad teachers.